Hey guys, I am coming to you from the future, starting off this vlog with a sad little announcement. Well, it's not really an announcement. Guys, I lost the SD, so our vlog is starting from the last day when we're about to leave, because all of the other 3 days I had filmed most of them on another SD, which I have lost. We left it in the apartment that we stayed at in Sydney and it's gone. The cleaner said there's nothing there. Wasn't able to retrieve them, but they were so special. We had, let me give you a little recap. You guys got time. But basically the first 2 days we went around the city, and also we had our own little family talk with Seloa. Pretty much giving her the 18 speech. And it was beautiful. We also gave her our gift, which was a watch. Obviously the holiday as well was, the getaway was her gift. We also went out to dinner and she had a cocktail. It was a beautiful, I think I've got one little clip. It was a beautiful night, but most of that was on my SD as well. That's gone missing. We also had a few fit checks, which again, not going to be in this vlog. So very sad. I'm struggling to come to terms with it because I just can't believe I just made such a stupid mistake of misplacing it or leaving it, forgetting it, and I never do that. But anyways, you live and you learn, so apologies, but hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. So I'll go back to the future now.
Guys, we have a hookah. We gotta try to test the hookah, eh?
Bring it in front so you can see the foods.
We're gonna try to taste the hookah. See guys, we got some here.
Try
Take
that
the
one.
mamoy, the fried one, the hookah. I'm trying to taste it.
Whoa, these ones are so much better. So much better.
The hookah was bomb. Feel. Oh, we got a wild mamoy here. Pero spoon nga na ito waka ko kuya.
Wait. Oh, you should come on this side, Laura, so we can all eat together.
Oh, makaya yun.
Let's see. We should have just got one piece.
Wow, mamoy. Maru. You gotta eat my.
Maybe I should sit that in there. Wow, they look so nice. Even without the lamb, it's like the taste is so nice. This is hitting the spot for everyone. This lamb bunny's everything. This is my jam.
I think I prefer this one than the white one.
Told you no one makes you like Tongans.
That's not Tongan.
They are Tongan.
Yeah, can you know?
Yeah.
No,
yeah, they are. They're Tongan. That's a Tongan store. And the lady was like, "Oh no, there's we don't have hot food, but there's a Tongan store down there. May got a Tongan store la, Lola." Guys, that was so bomb. Hit the spot. Also still kind of going. We smashed that. Sorry, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Wow. Oh yeah, Harbour Bridge. I mean, Aussie and I have been here so many times and we still have the same reaction every time we come. We're like, wow. So we just got here to Darling Harbour and it's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful day today. It is sunny. Sun is out. Camera battery died and I left the spares at home, so you're gonna have to put up with this quality. But look at that. That looks like a pirate ship. This is the museum here. They got a lot of construction going on here in Sydney, especially around the city. What, in the 1800s? Look how beautiful this view is, and that one, just so amazing. Got the squad in the back there.
Welcome to my area. This is my street.
Your street?
Yeah.
You have to speak up because the phone mic is different.
So welcome to my hood, alright?
Your hood.
Welcome to my hood. This is the area I grew up with.
You grew up with it?
Everyone called me a rich people, but you know, I don't want to share my money. We here at the upper house. Yeah, that's the beach. Well, it's a beautiful day today, you know? Beautiful day today. Amazing day. It's not that cold. It's not that hot. It's like a medium.
Okay.
But yeah, we're going to suss it out in there.
You suss it out. So I'm trying acai for the first time. This is the toppings that I got is biscoff, bueno, and Nutella. It's half my taste it. It's half. That's yours. So pistachio, Nutella, and bueno.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, the granola's on the bottom.
10 out of 10.
Actually, the granola down the bottom is so nice. Taste the granola at the bottom. Wow, that's nice. Oh, you got it? Thank you. Well, she's doing his live anyways. Hey ya guys and gals, another day here in paradise. We're packing up now, pretty much already packed up. Just a few things here and there left. Got to get this PS. Oh, we only played one time. I don't know if it was worth it, but we're on our way. It's on manual focus for some reason. There we go. Got the squad at the back, the crew. Bear's gonna calm down soon. Massive shout out to, if you're watching this, massive shout out to those who saw us this morning. Okay, let me tell you a story. So when we woke up, we had like just woken up, guys, and you know what you look like, the morning looks and everything, because Bear needed to go to the bathroom, so he woke us up because he kept crying. So then we knew he needed to go potty because he is house trained. He won't go inside, and so he woke us up. then I was like, oh, Aussie, you better come with me. So then we both went, oh my gosh, it's flashing, let me try and get this story done. And then when we went out, we, you know, went as is, like we just woke up from bed, took him out, and then in the lift, it stopped at level 1 and we were on level 2. And they were islanders, so big shout out to you. Sorry if you thought that we were snubbing you, but we literally just woke up and we were not in any state to say hi to anyone. We didn't know that you guys knew us until the doors were closing and someone said, hi Victoria, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe someone just saw me in that state. So yes, big shout out to you guys.
Sorry for not saying hi, so yeah. It's been of a stinky breath.
We felt terrible and we went to the park and we were cracking TF up.
Yeah, so yeah.
Because we looked at each other and we were like, oh my, I looked at him.
So yeah,
he looked at me, we're like, oh my gosh, that was so embarrassing.
I'm so sorry for not saying hi, guys.
And also he was wearing like these booty shorts.
I'm just wearing the booty all the way up.
He was wearing these booty shorts and he's like, so I got out waffle and I was like, got spend you now. Got spend you now with my booty shorts.
So yeah, sorry for not saying we are in the state of stinky breath and
just speak for yourself. Speak for yourself. My breath smells like
not washing the sombo out of the maca and yeah.
Quite literally, guys, that's what it was like.
Formal clothes, you know.
So we're on our way to the island food shop in Lumia. Gonna get some food. Also take my parents some food because it is Sunday and we missed church today. So sorry, Lord, forgive us. But we're gonna get some food for my parents so as soon as church finishes they can have something.
We're going last night to see the Spaniard.
Oh yeah, you guys would have seen.
Yeah, but yeah, for me it's my own own opinions. That was pretty bomb. Good on you, bruh.
He's not gonna watch our videos.
Next time I'll suss it out, whatever you want to do it.
We got birthday girl at the back there. Hey, your birthday girlie. Hey, your birthday girlie. 18 tomorrow. Her actual birthday is tomorrow, 24th of June. So happy birthday to everyone who has that birthday as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, 18 now. Big girl things. Guys, we are eating kekemamui from the South Pacific distributor or something like that. ASMR. And it's got a little bit of a spice to it. It's not too much, but it's just like a tiny hint of spice. Okay, so German bun now. Oh wait, I don't want to.
I'll be back for that.
You keep poured on me also.
Oh! There's hardly anything inside though. Don't be stingy. Tastes a little bit different as to how you usually do it. Guys, there's people skydiving. They're like little blips in the sky. Don't know if you can see that.
I saw two.
Everyone look.
First stop here at Pheasant's Nest. We stopped so that we could have a small something to nibble. I'm not too hungry. But also, how cool is this new upgrade here at Pheasant's Nest? This cool feature is the dog park. How cool! This is so cool. This is like the best thing that they could have done.
Gaan we eens sprongen in, maar
I don't,
Well done.
Can they see your food as well? They can see your food. Can't see, bro. No, they can't see your food. They can't even see yours, also.
Yeah, they can see it. No, you're there. Pero di pop.
Ano pam na? Ano pam na yeah.
Di pop. Not the pop.
Any stories today, Ossie? Bro, this guy's got stories for days in the car, and then when the camera's on, he's so silent.
What story?
Any stories you want?
Forever. Ôi mà ngay gần mà mua một cỗ nó chết chạy không? What's up, baby? Say on sa iba ya uli bili fa muli muli au mai sa misili mamaya umafuru ko ya kakele ko fa ya ba yes mga awa ko ki mo fu fa mangalo kakalamu ko yes awa se fa mala mala mai lo finalo usakalo ko makamang malo. Welcome to Nano Land. Nano Land. The oldest land.
Fanautinga Wale mafaina inula neibu Eona Leta uwafega ya chumoti Tumailo lima tasisi mailo ulima Ele pakuzaina Ise baina ele pasifika Pamalulo ufatu Ako se pese fufonga leo tele Ole tele Fabele pele. Morning guys, a new day. It is freezing here in Canberra. It was actually -3 this morning. I feel like the heater's doing nothing at all. But I am currently putting Beatrice to work. Yes, she is. There she goes. She's mopping the house, and it's great. If because I have a Dyson vacuum, so the vacuuming part, I don't know if I rate it. Like, this is one of the things that you would buy just because. Do you know what I mean? It's not a necessity. It's not an essential. I don't know. If I had my time again, would I buy it? Probably not. I let my friend convince me that it was like the best thing on earth, and I bought it. But you know, I'm not mad about the vacuuming part, like the vacuuming, because like I hate vacuuming. And look at it go, just doing its thing. I just got to clear the area for it to do its thing, but it looks really, really good. So hopefully there's enough water in it to last the whole mop. I'm hoping. Just got home from JB and I got a few purchases. Yay! I have wanted this for the longest, and I bought myself some beats and also a new setup for my working from home situation. So I got a couple new monitors. Change the way you hear sound. How exciting. I think I'll just chuck this box in the bin. I don't think I'm gonna resell these anytime soon, so I like the case. It is kind of sturdy. Doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. Well, it wasn't cheap. Oh, how exciting. So I just finished doing my whole setup over there. This is the mess. My 2 monitor boxes and the docking station. Also my Beats over there somewhere there. My old monitor on the floor, but I'm loving my setup. I've just ordered something on Amazon to, you know, like a desk stand. Aussie's feeling a bit sad today. We accidentally left his brand new pants that we bought from JD Sports. We forgot it in Sydney. Yay! I bought it on Amazon, guys. Oh, I don't like that.
Yeah, that's it.
Woohoo! Welcome. Please remove your shoes. Home. This needs to be swept, but other than that, once my palm starts flourishing, this is a little cute little, and then all I need is my Ring camera to go right here. And I got this packet. It was only $13, I think. A little bit different. I'm gonna put this in there. I love the taste so much.
What?
It's like my childhood, eating a lolo senga. We're just picking up some KFC for dinner. Couldn't be bothered cooking today, and I'm still in holiday mode, which I really need to get out of. Laura's on her way home from my cousin's house. She had a sleepover there. Shout out to the girls for taking her. Me, Sia, Tua, and Steffi, thank you so much for taking Laura out to celebrate her 18th as well. And Laura, Loa lea, ia lava Laura.
Loa lea, ia, sabrai. Vai kakfe a.
Wa uma for the birthday na go. And then back to work, back to business as usual. Yeah, we also bought a cake at the back. It's sitting in the back seat. We got a cake. And so, yeah, this is her official birthday. I got my camera. Yay! My Ring camera. Finally, I've wanted a Ring doorbell camera for so long. And also because we already have the Ring app from Bear's camera, so it's just gonna, it fits well with our current situation, you know? It fits well with our current sitch, if you know what I mean.
If you know what I mean is so mean.
Basically, the point in installing this was to up the security in this place, because, yeah, he can never be too safe, you know what I mean? Okay guys, so we're gonna sing happy birthday to Loa. We got a nice cute little spread here. Some kefasi.
Some kefasi.
Fa'amanui aleatua.
If I'm a young scope, hip hip.
Hey.
Hip hip.
Hey.
Hip hip.
Hey.
Matasi na moa hip hip. Make a wish.
Hey. Yay. Do you want to do a small little speech?
Yeah, I saw speech.
Just a tiny one.
Okay, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything you guys done for me. You guys helped me a lot. I should cry.
I'm gonna cry too.
See, five speech.
Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. Thank you for the cake. and the support you guys gave me all the time.
Oh,
And I want to say thank you, V, to Steffi and Sia for taking me out. Thank you so much.
yeah. And thank your parents too in Samoa.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. And everyone.
Yeah.
And your brother bear here.
Okay. Great. So we're gonna eat now, guys, and
We'll
have
pick
some
more.
cake after.